Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're at the pump. First, confirm the pump shows contactless or Apple Pay. Unlock your iPhone or raise your Apple Watch and make sure Wallet has a default card. Tap the lock screen or double-press the side button to summon Wallet. This speeds the transaction. Once done, look for the contactless symbol on the pump handle or screen. Make sure you're near the reader. NFC needs close range. This starts the secure tokenized payment process instead of swiping or inserting. Tap your iPhone or Apple Watch to the pump reader. Wait for the vibration, beep, or on-screen confirmation. Then on the pump, choose your fuel grade and either select a prepay amount or set it to fill. This tells the station how to authorize. Make sure the pump shows the requested amount before fueling. If the pump asks for payment type, pick credit to avoid a PIN. Once Apple Pay shows authorized, start fueling. Tokenization keeps your card details private and secure. When you finish, stop the pump and replace the nozzle. Wait for the pump to print a receipt or show the final charge, then check Wallet or your bank app for the completed transaction. If Apple Pay didn't work, try tapping again, relaunch Wallet, or use the Pay at Window option while keeping your card ready. Make sure your device has signal and is not in low power mode. If the amount is wrong, keep the receipt and report the charge through your bank or Apple promptly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.